Prior to the launch of the Nokia, it had been a long time since we'd had a Nokia flagship. But another new one is rumored to be on the way, and it's set to be bigger than the Nokia 8. HMD Global, the company that's revived the Nokia name on smartphones, has so far otherwise unleashed a handful of entry-level and mid-range phones, like the Nokia 5, but the high-end Nokia 9 might launch soon, and it could be positioned to compete with the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S8 and iPhone 8. We're starting to hear rumors about it, all of which you'll find below along with our expert analysis, and as soon as we hear anything new we'll add it to this article. One source claims the Nokia 9 will have an all-metal body, while another says to expect it to be IP68 certified, which would make it dust-proof and water-resistant to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. The most recent leaked image of the phone only shows the front, but you can see that the bezels are tiny and it has a dual-lens front-facing camera. There's no fingerprint scanner, so this is likely on the back. A couple of sketches have leaked out of the supply chain too, but we're not 100% sure of their authenticity for now. They show a Nokia 9 with very narrow bezels top and bottom, just like several other 2017 flagships. Tech Radar's take, the latest flat-screen leaked image of the Nokia 9 looks convincing, while water resistance is believable, as it's a feature found on a number of high-end handsets. However, even newer leaks suggest that there will be a pair of 12MP and 13MP lenses on the back and a 5MP dual-lens camera on the front. As for what the second lens will be used for, a new version of the Nokia 5 camera app has appeared in an Android Oreo beta with options for 2x telephoto zoom and wide-angle shots. Both of those features require a dual-lens camera and neither are possible on any current Nokia phone, so one or both of those things could be coming to the Nokia 9. In the Nokia 8's case there's a monochrome lens and an RGB one, which are combined for better shots, especially in low light, so that's another possibility. By Emhape Tech.